Welcome back to another video, another trading video at that. If you're here to get some shmonies with me. You made it. It's Monday, right? And we here at the charts. All right, so let's just go ahead and just dive in real quick. I want to just go over something that we were discussing on Friday. So last week, we were doing pretty good last week, right? This is all last week's trades, these areas here. So we were hitting until Friday. Friday just didn't, if I would have seen more of this, I seen it afterwards. I was like, oh, they wanted to push up a little higher after taking this liquidity. It was a sale, right? So, yeah, this one would have definitely. Why is my computer moving slow? Don't know. But let me see something from here. Yeah, that was the play. That would have been the play right there, that sale. Tried to come back the second time and grab it. But I thought this buy was gonna, if we got up in this area, I wanted to sell. This is what I was saying last week on Friday. I wanted to sell if it got up in this blue box. I thought maybe they would have pushed a little higher, and then I would have sold off of there. But the buy, I was trying to buy it up, and the buy got stopped. Like, I think it went to TP1, didn't get TP2 or 3. See, the alerts are still there. Right, we don't need these anymore. I don't know why they're not disappearing, but everything is moving a little choppy today. Does it always have to act like a typical Monday? Every Monday? Do we have to do this every Monday? All right. Okay, so yeah. So that was really the play. It actually did play out for the sales. I just wasn't patient enough to actually, my stop was 48 pip. I should have went a little bit higher than 48 pip, but that's fine with me. Okay, but the initial play was the sell side. Like, I wanted to sell it, like buy it up just a little bit and then sell. That's what I was thinking, but I didn't react too well on it. That's all. Sometimes that happens, guys. All right, I'm not here to be a perfect trader, just a consistent one. All right, and you should be thinking the same thing. Don't look at when you get, messed up into a trade sometimes, because all week, look at this. This is our all week. Last week, we were in, well, this one, I did this one off a stream. This was after we got our area TP, I think about 50 pips or something like that, 54 pips on this one, right? And market came back down. So TP1 and 2 was hit, but it grazed TP3, but shoot, I was out of it at TP1 actually. And it came back down and slammed and hit this stop loss, right? Hit break even first and then the stop loss, and then it kept going, which it was going to the next zone, which we knew already. It was coming below these lows. This was the buy up. I seen this off a stream, and like, again, it was like around 10 o'clock, and I was like, easy buy. Let's buy this baby back up. Right? So yeah, and more confirmation that she was going up was right here. Right here. Boom. This black candle right here. Look up. All right. And then to turn around with the white candle after the black, which, as you can see, the white candle engulfed the black one. So that just was a clear sign of reversal. Okay. So yeah, and then yeah, so just that one trade, you know, and I took two. The second one was just the stop loss was just a little too close, right? I think we had it at like 32 or something. Yeah, 23.32. Maybe just a little higher, like 23.33 would have been perfect. So, and I got hit on that one, boom. But that's cool though. Sometimes you miss a shot, but I wanted to see if what I was thinking was going to play out, and it did. It hit my TP down here. Okay, in reverse. I mean, smack dead on it. Can't get no better than that. See that? Right there. All right. So, okay. So yeah, last week was pretty good. Okay. So now here we are in a new month. Let's go check this new month. And I don't know why, but everything is moving extremely slow now. Not sure what's going on. Let me close some things out. That could be the reason. Got too many windows open. Alright. Oh yeah, there's some pop-ups. Alright, cool. I'm just clearing those out. And then let me just see if I can reset this bad boy or something. I don't know what's happening. Okay. So we're at the monthly. Ooh. Monthly is bullish. Y'all see that? Alright. So we got monthly as bullish. Okay. Strong bullish. Y'all see that, right? Okay. Now let's compare it to DXY monthly. Okay. Strong bullish as we closed off June. Now we're in July. But not real strong though, because it didn't really get above, you know, the previous candle. Right? It kind of like it closed lower. So we're still consolidating. Right? Not really making any lows or highs. We're just chilling right now. Okay? But let me check out the weekly real quick. Alright, so we see all of this above here. We see this gap here. Right? Now, go to gold. See what gold got on her weekly. She got the gap below. So we see, let's see, is there anything left? No. That's it. Right? This was what all-time high. Okay, so we see that there is a gap below on gold, but there's a gap above on DXY. Right here. Okay. we got these two tops, right? And we got these tops here. Strong chance of this market getting up above these tops, dipping into this slippage candle, all right? Picking up some liquidity before actually getting the push to the downside, right? To come get all of the buyers next. So, well, we got to take these tops first. And then we'll know then that, you know, where's the next move? The next move is to the downside. Okay? So, we wait and be patient. Everything's looking okay. It's good structure here. Gold weekly. Let's see. Why is this alert here? Come on. Yes, delete. Everything is moving slow right now. Okay. So right now I'm just, you know, basically just investigating, looking at levels in certain candles, checking out liquidity below, looking at the previous candles, highs, checking out the lows. Okay, so let's go down to daily. It's the only candle that haven't been played. Well, it's been played into a little bit, but we got a gap right here. Could we go that high? Or are we ready to come push up just a little bit and then drop below these lows right here? So I don't know, maybe we can get below these lows here, and but keeping our eyes on this gap right here, because there's a gap right here. So we've already marked it. Okay, so that's that. Let me go back to here real quick. Don't know if we're gonna get all the way up that high. We might push off of this candle here. This is my eyes is looking at real quick. This candle. Let me fib that up real quick. And just real fast, follow along. Okay, we're gonna go with that one. Stay and draw. This one and this one. That's the daily Fibonacci levels. Bring it down. Okay. So these are just the daily Fibonacci levels, guys. All right, let's clean this up some so our eyes know what we want to look at. All of this money above, like we've been talking about. All right. That's the daily fib. I'm going to go to a 4 hour. Let me go to DXY real fast and go back to the daily. All right. We still got all this money sitting below. We see it. We could get the push down to come down. She's tapped into the Fibonacci areas over here. Look left. So we might get that. Reached all the way up to almost to the 78. This red line here. This one is 88. So, but this was 50. So we might get that push come down, which will give us a good reason on why gold would move up, right? Move up into those Fibonacci areas that we just marked right here. Okay, so let's just clean this up just to make sure we can see everything. See, even over here, if you look at this candle here, this was fibbed, right? I fibbed this candle. And then they came back and played into that candle at the 50% mark. All right. And then reversed. Coming down here. Sweeping this liquidity here. Right? These guys are out. Sweeping them. Dipping into insufficiency in price on a lower time frame. Right? This is how I caught that buy. Right? Now we got reason to go back up. All right, got enough money to go back up now. So we move all the way back up. This is what I'm thinking in this candle here, right? This is a candle, institutional candle. This candle is the one that took out every last one of these guys' orders. Okay? Took out, if you were selling, you got stomped out. Right? So now we're reversing because we hit a Fibonacci level on this candle here. So we're reversing, coming back down, sweeping the lows, dipping the insufficiency in price, bouncing off of that, coming back up to where? Another Fibonacci level. So we would have to go down on a lower time frame. Look left and see what all we see. What's in those Fibonacci levels? Well, we already know insufficiency in price, a big gap, slippage candle right here. And we have tops, right? So we can go and take these tops right here, push up into insufficiency in price. Maybe they'll do it now. This is what I wanted them to do last week, Friday. But maybe they'll do it now. Who knows? We'll have to watch price action and see what they give us today or this week. Okay, so I'm just looking to see what I see up in this area. Does look like we could get up into these Fibonacci areas. Let's see something. Just about closed it. Almost didn't really close it. Still got a little gap above that too. But this is that last buy to sell. Let's see if we can. Does it look the same? Yeah. Still doing it on a 4 hour and the 1 hour. What I'm looking at is this candle right here and this one. The last quick buy up to sell. This is the candle. All right. So let's Let's mark this candle real quick. All right, it's this one. All right, we'll even change the color of it to like something else. Yeah. Okay. So I just want to keep my eyes on this candle too. Okay, when price does come back up into this area. So I'm already thinking of a place of where the market price is going to head to, right? Because we understand what's happening with this quick push up, right? Up, buy to sell, right? We're in drawdown, right? Big boys in drawdown, right? But at this position, so we will have to get back up there eventually. 9 times out of 10, they will, right? Come back up there and get that money. So I'm thinking, well, we might be getting back up into this area and then up to like these Fibonacci areas, right? Before we do like a low reversal tap, right? It could tap these areas in reverse, tap this area in reverse, right? Pull back, tap this area and pull back before continuing. We'll have to watch price action when it's moving up in these areas, these price areas. So as soon as it gets up in the zone here, this blue box here, you know, we're going to keep a close eye on her. Very close eye. All right. And the reason I remember now, Friday, I wanted to sell this market was because I wanted to sweep these lows. Right? I wanted to aim for these lows here. Look what happened. They got swept. Oh man, sometimes it's like that, guys. You gotta laugh at it because of the fact that you'll be right and you know, just, I mean, I just would have had my stop just maybe a pip or two above. And she did do what I wanted her to do. I really thought she was coming down here and she did. Back into this order block right here. I knew it. I was like, she's coming back into that candle, but they placed that underneath these lows, guys. This was placed and then these lows happen, right? This W right here. So I knew, I was like, yo, they're coming back here. This is too perfect of a setup. These two things, what? I always look at lows and find out, look more left to see what else I can find, right? And that's what I found. This order block here. And then I found these W's. I was like, all right, cool. They're going to sweep that. Just needed a pip. I think spread hit me here. So, yeah, but it did play out. And it looked good. I was just like, oh, man. You kidding me, right? This thing actually played out. I mean, it happens, guys. I mean, you just laugh at it now. All right, so now let me see. We got some more stuff below. Yeah. But what I'm more wanting to play off of, because we're in a, we don't have a side really that's been taken unless we go to the lower time frame. You know, just looking at this, I'm still like, all right, well, we're still pushing to the uppity up. So what I'm trying to do now is just find something, right, to give me that up movement. Right now, she's not doing it. She did do it, but I need more. Because right now we're trending down. If we're going to move up, I don't want the lower time frame to be trending down. I would have to have a little patience and wait on it to start moving back to the upside. Right now, it's yeah, it's trending down right now. So let's just wait and see what we're gonna have. But I'm really, really wanting her to get up in this blue box area here, which we are very, very close. We're getting there. Strong chance of getting there. Oops, I think I did something. All right. So until the bottom, the lower time frame start to trend upwards. I mean, I'm still looking for buys, but I mean, finding a sale is easy too. Especially off a lower time frame. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is getting on my nerves. So, guys, I did buy a stream deck so that I can do faster analysis, I guess, or stream, you know, get better streaming quality. So I invested in that. Over the weekend, I've been trying to program it, and so far so good. It's just, you gotta, you know, it's a new toy, so you gotta learn it. See, this is a 50% level right here. On the fib, that fib 50% right there. I mean, this market is gonna fall because if you look at it on the lower time frame, we have a lot of buyers here. So naturally, they want to come back down and grab these buyers. I'm trying to look and see where they will come down to. Which order block? Maybe this one. Yeah. Yeah, maybe that one on the 5 minute. 15 minute too. Let's see, 15 minute. We might be able to get the sale. Yeah, it's starting to set up, look a lot better. Yeah, the sale's looking a lot better now. I'm just saying that because of the 15 minute, the way it looks up in this area. I would have to go down a little further to see it. Maybe they show it on a 1 hour, I mean a 1 minute. This could be a small short, you know. Look, we're not quick to trade, y'all. We're just, you know, going over a deep analysis of it. We want to watch her to see what she's doing. Watch the waves. This one is pretty, it's looking pretty good to the downside. I'm just trying to see what all is down there, so that way we got some gaps down here. Yeah, we got some little sneaky gaps below. That buy down there was sick, guys. I ain't gonna lie. That buy right there is nasty. Right below those lows. Right off of that candle, look left. Perfect. Alright, let's see what they do on a 15-minute. Yeah. That looks about right. Alright, so that's a good 50 pip right there. I need them to break a little. Looking for that short right there. Let's see, because this is where it comes to like just using your eyes a little bit. Maybe we might be able to get the short right here. Something light, nothing too crazy. Always using proper risk. Okay, so let's see. Let me check the 1 hour real quick. See, the problem with this one, I see on the 1 hour, so I wouldn't be playing this off the 1 hour, based off the 1 hour. I'm playing it off based off the 15-minute and 5-minute. All right, because the 1 hour isn't ready yet. But the 15-minute and the 5-minute is. So I want to get a quick scalp in, like right there. And yeah, do that. And then let's just, you know, go with it and see. You know, it might play out the way I'm seeing it right now. This market could come back up, could just be doing like a little pullback here and then going back up, because on the higher time frame we are. So this is like a counter trend trade. We are still trending up, right? But I want to see if we'll come back down and fill the gap down here. And maybe there's another gap down here. So you never know. You know what I'm saying? Let's just try it and see. Just use proper risk, right? That's the best we could do, right? As traders, just use proper risk. We ain't trying to blow our account. It's Monday. We wanna take our time and look at these markets accordingly and see what's up. All right. Because you never know. We got all the way up to here. Let me just keep looking, investigating. We got into this week, look left. All right, took liquidity there. I mean, we could bounce back down, continue to the downside by the 15-minute. Let me just double check that. 15 minutes still looks good though. If we could get a little push down. Still got a little gap above. Could fluctuate back up into this area. Even come back up into this candle here. Okay. Just keeping some things in mind. All right. Just a few things in mind. Let's look on the 5-minute real quick. I'm thinking like, all right, either this shot doesn't go, right? If this shot don't go, I'm going to shoot again up here at the 50% when she get above these highs. Because I think my stop is right above. It's above this high at 49 pip. That's nothing. I like my pips to be a little smaller as far as wrist, but this is okay. I mean, I like it when it's like in the 20, under 25 pip range, but I'll take it. I'll take the 40, 50 pip. It's not big, not a big deal. If I miss this shot, I'm going to catch it again up here. There, or, which she should get up there because there is a, yeah, she should get up there. She might even get higher because look at this. You see this here? This gap? Man, that's like right near the 78%. Yeah, 78 right here. So we got this gap, fill that gap, push up a little bit higher, and then fall maybe. We could get that. And we do have this gap way up here. So, I mean, I could take shots in different, I have ideas on where I could take shots at, and it just depends on how it looks when it starts to move in this area. If it's like shooting through it, then no, I'm not gonna take a shot. But if it's like stalling and then on the 1 minute it's starting to create, you know, what I'm looking for, like the right price action, then I'm going to decide on whether I want to take the shot. Okay? Alright. So let me do this real quick. Uh, 34. Where is it? 2338. Okay, so if you are in my Telegram group, you got updated with the free trade. I'm throwing this trade out for the world. Okay, I'm here to save you. And this is the play that we have. So we entered at 2333. TP1 is 2331. TP2 is 2330. I mean 29, and TP3 is 2327. Okay. So the link is in the description below. If you want, you can join us on the Telegram group, and you can set your notifications on there so every time I send out a trade, you don't miss it. Okay? And make sure, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Share this video with somebody who is wanting to learn how to better their trading. If you're wanting to get better and have a different perspective at looking at the market, share this video. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be hitting. You feel me? So it's sick over here. All right, I'm here to make you sick trades. You know, I'm here to give you those sick trades. All right. And no, not every trade goes. Okay, that's just some beginner mentality, that thinking that you got to be perfect in trading. No, look at the percentage at the bottom of the screen. 79%. Look how many wins we have. 35. Losses 11 because of that last Friday BS, right? But the percentage is still up. It's high. That's pretty damn good, guys, for that many trades taken. And, you know, out of 44 or 40, 46 trades or something like that, we're up. I mean, that percentage probably is wrong. It looks wrong. It looks like it should be higher than 79% though, to be honest. It looks like it should be something bigger than that. Oh, no. It should be in the 70s, I think. But anyways, TP1 is being hit right now. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the chart too. TP1 is being hit real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and update everybody in the group real fast to let them know. Okay, so we got TP1 hit. See, now I want y'all to understand something. As a trader, you got to understand the whole market. I just did a whole top-down analysis with y'all from the monthly all the way down, right? So until I figured out and ran through the story and figured out what do my eyes see, what is the story telling me, and you know what I should be looking for and what the next play is going to be. I ran that whole thing down so I could figure out my position. You can come here and do this you can do this all day and every day, right? It just depends on how much, how long you want to sit at the chart or whatever and do it all day. You can play this game all day long. I like this game. I don't mind. I wouldn't mind playing it all day long, but I just don't want to sit here at my computer all day long looking at charts. You know what I'm saying? Analyzing and going through the story, play. I just want to get my money and compound my account over time. Feel me? You can't overtrade. There is a thing called overtrading, and I just don't want to overtrade. I think if you're sitting here too long and you're trading all day, you're overtrading. So, but anyways, this method can be played on any chart that has any chart that got price action. You can do this same thing, and it works because the banks only play one way. They have to hedge themselves into position. They need liquidity. They need players on both sides. So you have to understand your opponent. This is me understanding my opponent. All right. So TP2 is getting hit right now. We'll just go ahead and update that with the group. All right. So we got TP2 hit now. Oh wait, I gotta let them know too. Oh my God. My computer is like moving so slow. Yeah. Just updating the groups right now. Alright, let them know what's popping. Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options. MetaTrader 4, I'm watching. I need to drop that track though, for real, on real. Alright, so, okay. So now we're just waiting on TP2 to get hit. I mean, or TP3, because TP2 is already hit. TP1 and 2 is already hit, okay? This push gave you, let's see. Yeah, good 38 pips, depending on where you got in at. You should be somewhere up in this area, right? When I made the call. So we was at what, 23.33 when I sent it to the group. So now that I found that, I can go down to the 1 hour and I can say, all right, insufficiency in price. So let's fill that. Where's the next insufficiency in price? Right down here. We can get down there. Okay, look at her. All because here, what is it? 15 minute. Let's go back. I seen this pattern above this high. All right, let's go down. Didn't quite quite do it on the 5 minute, but it showed me on the 15. So I'm like, all right, that's good enough. Here, play back into it, sell, buy up, play back into it, sell, drop the little lows, play back into it. Yeah, easy sell call. But I just wanted to make sure we had confirmation. The buys, I didn't want to take a buy just yet, even though we are trending up on a higher time frame and there is a bunch of liquidity sitting above. You just, you know, it takes a trained eye to see that market is turning around, and we're not actually on a higher time frame. It is showing bullish, but on a lower time frame, it was showing bearish. So we went with what we got. You know, we got the sell. We gonna take the sell, right? That's just how that works. And she's going to continue. Now I'm just trying to figure out where she's going to continue to. I'm going to go back to the 5 minute. Okay. And see what else I can find. Can I find more? Yeah, she got all the way to this candle here. There is a little bit of gap here, and then this is a gap on a higher time frame, so we got a little gap here too. However you want to play this. Let me check mine. I'm gonna go ahead and break even because we're sitting up pretty in a nice little area. Push down. I like the push. So break even. Actually, I took some profits off the table. Actually, let me see. Yeah, we can take. Yeah, we can take like. We'll take that. We'll hit it at the 20 pip mark, right? All right. So what I'm wanting to do now is update everybody and let them know, hey, you know, just go ahead and secure some profits or move break even. You know what I mean? Go ahead and start managing your trade, basically. Break even for risk-free trading. Okay. Now, boom. That's what we're gonna do. So we're all risk-free. This is another win. Okay. So you can just go ahead and move your stop. We're gonna lower this risk now, right? This is now a full profit trade. Okay. Now I'm just wanting to just keep, watching it and seeing how she's acting on the lower time frame. She's doing very well. Will we come down into this gravitational pull gap right there? You know, I call them gravitational pulls, right? All right, so I don't know why they're not loading the rest of it. Okay, there we go. Load my screen. All right, we do see this gap down here too. I see that. Right here. Right. Stretch that over. All right, let's go back to the 5 minute real quick. All right, TP3 has now been hit. TP3 is hit. All right, cool. 23.27 was the price for TP3. I hope you guys see that. I'm updating the group right now. All right, all TPs have been hit. Let's start the month off right, guys. Let's start this thing off right. I need to get some new, yeah, because we snipers up in this thing. I'm trying to tell you, we got the sniper eye, guys. We got the sniper eye. All right, TP3 smash. Just updating all the groups, guys. That's all. What is that? computer just sticking or something. All right, cool. We're good. Now everybody is happy, right? Everybody happy? Hopefully everybody understands how I got the trade, why I took the trade. I explained to you guys why I took this trade. Okay. Yeah, and she's running nicely. Easy money, guys. Easy money. Let's go. All right. It was an easy call. We had a bunch of buyers in this market right here. Look at this market here. Boom, buyers. The market is going up. You don't even got to zoom in to see. You can see it right here. Market up. Bunch of buyers. What does market have to do? Right? Big boys have to do what? Come back and take all these buyers out. Why? Because we need an equal market. This market isn't equal. Right? So this is a one-sided market. We need a two-sided market. So they have to come back down. Now, it was just a matter of figuring out when they were going to turn around. You had to come down to the lower time frame to figure that out. You wouldn't been able to see it on the higher time frame. You had to literally come all the way back down to the 1 minute and watch the price action do what it was doing. When it was doing this, it was pulling down, pushing back up into it, pulling down, pushing back up to it. Who do you think doing that? This is their footprints right there. Okay. Now, right on the dot. Okay. Hey, I don't know. I'm just here every day. That's all. I'm just here to do my job every day. That's it. That's it. I hope you guys seeing that. All right, let's go down to the 1 hour real quick. Or up to the 1 hour, should I say. So even though we have like this insufficiency here, I'm just going to keep my eye on it because there's a high chance that we might get down up in that insufficiency before, making the next candle move, right? This next candle is going to be, the hourly candle going to be in 5 minutes, 44 seconds. So most likely we're just going to watch this and just see how she reacts down here on the lower time frame. What is she going to do? This is a lot of slippage here. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of slippage happening right there. So, this was spot on, guys. Very spot on right here. Sometimes it just works out that way. You know what I'm saying? Just works out, right in your favor. But it was more say of the story. The story just made sense to sell it, even though there was all of these buyers. Listen, if you see the trend, guys, it's most likely too late. The trend has already changed, right? Gotten up here and you see it, it's changing, okay? You're late to the party. And guess what? You're about to get stumped on because this was a clear change of trend on watching it on the 1 minute. It broke some lows, boom, boom. That was enough to solidify the move for me for sales. And yeah, we sold. And she's running. And I'm going to let this baby run. Stop losses are in profit right now. Profits are up. Typical, day in the trading world. Now we just watch. Look where she at. Here's a gap right here on the 1 minute. Where she fill this gap. We got some wicks with a gap below that wick. Where she get down there. This is what I like to do. I like to look left. Because the look left is a part of the story, guys. And then you got more gaps below. So I like to just find insufficiency in price and then just see how she reacts off of insufficiency in price, like such as this one. Okay. She's doing it on the 1 minute. She's doing it. Bouncing off that gap. Look, man, our TPs was spot on today. Congratulations to y'all because our TPs was spot on today. If you're in the Telegram group, you got that signal. If you was on the live stream, you got that signal, and it was spot on. Yo, just go ahead and you could take TP 1, 2, or 3. It's up to you. Or you can let this bad boy ride. It's up to you. You could take partials. That's totally up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I ain't here to tell you what to do with your account. I'm just here to give you recommendations, right? Quote, quote, recommendation on what I would do with my account, right? Just to protect myself, okay? Let's see. Let's see. We were due for a white candle on one of these time frames. 5 minute, I believe it was. Yeah, right there. We had one. When they did this one white candle, guys, they did this push down and they broke the trend on the lower time frame. They broke this side, right? They had one white candle. This was enough also confirmation to say, hey, the next candle should be black when we pushing down because we already broke the trend. So boom, footstep right there. Push down. Continue down. Jump in the trade. Let's get in now. Right? Easy call, guys. Real easy call. I like when the markets want gold want to play fair, should I say. Market's playing fair right now. No, they always playing fair, right? You just up to you to read the board accordingly. So, all right, let me get this clip for July because we are in July now. July 1st, y'all. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Third quarter. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, let's see. Because she's a runner. She's a track star. She's moving far away from our entry. In the right direction, though. At least it's the right direction, right? All right. So let me do the easy money. All right. Just real fast. What more do y'all want, bro? This was gold. Oh wait, I forgot something. Where are we? Shoot. All right, that's better. All right, let's see what we got. Easy work. Easy work, guys. We already got a win for July. Okay. July, we in the game. Oops. I'm sorry, guys. Am I messing up the stream? And that's pretty much it. I mean, I did a whole top-down analysis with you guys. If you go back to the beginning of the video, we started at the monthly and we worked our way down, looking at the daily and, looking at DXY and looking at gold at the same time, doing the top-down analysis. So we got the idea of what we wanted to do with DXY. And then this is what was giving us more of the story of what was going to happen with gold. But you had to go to the lower time frame, which we look, as you can tell. What do we say? Right? Gap, tops. Let's go back up. Let's go up some. They got up in that gap, reversed. Then gold is doing what? Did what we wanted it to do on a lower time frame. Took that little short right there. Come on, gold. Moving slow. Okay. Coming all the way back down to here. And then moving back up. Right? So you know what? I'm just thinking. Right? Because that was a spot on. Oh, dang it. That was a spot on trade, right, guys, right here. You know, we got that. Do we need to hold any longer? You can. All right. And the reason I'm saying this is because let's check out the 4 hour. All right. So we have below insufficiency in price down here too. So, I mean, however you want to do it, you know, you can manage it how you want to manage it, guys. I'm just saying, like, looking at it, I told y'all she slipped. She got to come back and feel these slippages. Slip. You know, strong chance of it coming back up or, you know, continuing to the downside. It's, you know, just make sure your stop is you either break even or you're taking profits along the way, or partials along the way. Or you just move your stop into, you know, trail the market. You know, it's all totally up to you on how you want to manage your trade. Okay. I got my stop in profit, period. Just, it's in profit. I'm going to trail it. If she pushes below this low, I'm going to take some more profits off the table. All right. Yeah, just looking at how she was looking on the 4 hour and what we got below, and just looking at this wave here, we're still not done, right? I mean, are we even 50% of this wave? Are we 50%? Yeah, we're about 50%. We're a little over 50%. All right, so I think we still got a little bit more ways to go though, for real. Oops. Move out the way. It's moving. I don't know. Maybe I need to do like a reset or something. But I turn my computer off every day, so I do not have it running all day long. Because then I'd be tempted to look at charts all day. I got shit to do today. Can't be here all day. I'm already here over an hour. Usually when you come to my class is only lasting for, an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. It's usually for me to, do the top-down analysis and get your positions and send out the signal to the groups and stuff like that. And we're usually done by 9 o'clock, which we are done now, guys. You know that, right? She's already hit TP 1, 2, and 3. So if you were late, you missed it. If you were early, you caught it. All right. I'm here at 8 a.m. every morning. So I'm gonna throw something out there every day. Or I just choose not to trade that day. It might be a no trading day, There's sometimes when I don't trade, I don't see anything. In the market would just be like basically consolidating, like it might end up doing this week because we got NFP, right? First Friday of the month. So we should start seeing some consolidation movement on the higher time frame, which we are in a consolidation on a higher time frame. So we might be here for the rest of the week, just moving up and down. Just catch what you can catch. And then, probably Wednesday, we might get some real nice movement Wednesday. I like how this is looking. I like how that's looking. I want to see her get like down here and get below these lows. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Again, she pushed below that. Get all the way down there. And if that's the case, I'm gonna take, let's see where we at. I'm gonna take more profits. Boom. Good enough. All right. Just trailing it just a little bit. I don't want to be too close up on it because I know she needs to breathe. So I want to just trail my stop just a little bit. I'm actually pretty up and good in profit. I could just go ahead and I could take whatever off the table now if I really want to. Let me just see what's happening here. She could fill this gap here, little slippage area here. Yeah, you just gotta watch it and then just know what's happening on the higher time frames. As you're watching it, keep in mind what the higher time frames is looking like. We know there was a black candle that engulfed this white candle. Boom. All right. Now let's see what's happening. Based off of the 1 minute, it's gonna push up, probably get pushed back up into that candle, getting into this insufficiency in price. I wish my computer would move a lot faster. As fast as I'm doing the clicking. You see how I'm clicking already? And it's still like frozen or something. Yeah. This looks good, guys. This looks real good to push down. I want to see you get down here. That's what I want to see. But she is running. And this looks okay. But that's it, guys. You already know I don't like being in class for very long. I just want to come here, get you guys your positions, and get going. All right, so this is a win for the day. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, make sure you hit that notification bell so that as soon as I go live, be ready, be locked and loaded on the brokers accounts. Feel me? Or whatever you're trading on. I don't know. Yeah, just be ready for gold. This strategy works with, and it's not even a strategy. I hate calling things a strategy. I hate when other people say they strategy, so I take that back. My bad. This theory, okay, is a theory of mine, that I got from other snipers. I just put my own twist on it. Um, this theory works the most out of the other theories, right? So, you know, I've been practicing this theory for years, and it hasn't failed me since. I've been doing it, and finally I just, corrected my eyes and made my eyes be able to see even further into the future. Not saying that I'm like a future teller or anything like that. I'm just a wizard. That's all. I could really, I really know where these markets be going. Pivot points, price action, price points where it directly turns around at, guys. Right? I'm just not doing this for my health and just guessing. It's not a guessing game. There should be no reason why you should be guessing in this game when everything on the chart is purposely placed there. When they are actually making the market, it's not by accident. It's on purpose. So understand your opponent on the board, and understand who you're playing against and who you're playing with. You feel me? These guys got more money than us, and they want to take our money. We don't got that much money, and we're trying to take their money. And they're very smart and intelligent people, right? But if you understand those smart and intelligent people and how they play and what they're doing, and you can see what they're doing when they do it, guys, you jump on the same train as them. All right. I'm gonna move. Let me see. Where am I at? 20, 33, 31. Yeah. Where am I at? Am I at 31? Yeah, I'm at 31. Okay. So once you understand your opponent, then you'll be able to play better, right? So smart money concepts really changed my trading for real. So I do it every day, and I just want to come here and show you guys, right? And you can go look at all my previous videos. I say the same shit every fucking time, right? And it works. And I'm going to keep repeating myself until it clicks in your head, right? To watch me do it is one thing, but when you do it, it's something magical. Just watch it. And I can do this on any chart. I like playing gold. I play gold and only gold. Well, that's a lie. I play Bitcoin too. All right. Yeah. I'm in Bitcoin too. I'll show you that real fast since we're about done with this stream anyway. So I'll show you my Bitcoin analysis that I've been killing it. See? So I do the weekends, Bitcoin thing, right? Now, I caught her turning around at the 70,000 mark, $367 or $26, 300, whatever, $70,400, right? I caught them turning around. Did a perfect setup up there. Like, look at that, baby. Look at this. Ooh. Play back into it real quick. Sell off. Come back. Look. Push up above these highs. Right? Get below those lows. Come back. Play back into it. I mean, they do it on every chart, guys. Every freaking chart. You can do this. So I personally like to play gold, but Bitcoin is easy too. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's say you got a Cash App and you wanna grow some of your Bitcoin in your Cash App or whatever, Coinbase, whatever. Well, when you put it in your wallet, it's in at a certain price, right? So let's say price was here at 58,553, right? And you was like, all right, cool. I think this is a good turning point. Man, you can load your Cash App up You feel me? And then wait on market to come all the way up and make you some money in your Cash App. So Cash App booming, right? You can do it that way. So, but yeah, I do trade Bitcoin. Um, I am a crypto trader. I don't trade all cryptos. I don't do like those meme coins, and I don't do like those little smaller coins and stuff like that just be popping up on the coin market base. Um, I don't know, just Bitcoin. Bitcoin is better. It's the father of all, right? It's like daddy, right? So we'll play with daddy, okay? Instead of going to anybody else. I mean, Ethereum, you could do that, but I think Ethereum it doesn't move fast enough for me. Bitcoin does. All right, so, but yeah, so there you go. There you have it. You know now. You know my little weekend trading secret, or all the time 24-hour trading secret, should I say, because that's something that goes on all day, every day. Okay. Let's look, see what we got. We still moving down. Ooh, yes. Nice little, what do people like to call this? A doji, right? Doji candle or something. And this will give a lot of people an indication that we're going to sell, which most likely we will. Okay. Sell down, get below this low, get into this insufficiency in price, right? Before actually coming back up or continuing to the downside, whichever one we decide to do, right? There's some low. Yeah, there's money sitting below. Strong chance of that happening, right? But we'll see all week, guys. We got all week before before we see what the board is showing us. So far, we're kind of getting a real nice idea, right? We got some areas above, Fibonacci institutional levels that we could possibly hit. Okay. We got insufficiency above in price. We see that. We see this insufficiency in price. We see that. All right. So we do see our eyes are on areas. We got liquidity sitting here now, which they didn't close this gap. They dipped into it. Right? Strong chance of coming back down and filling this gap, getting below these lows, right? But then we would have to look more left to see, ooh, look at that beautiful low. Yummy looking wick right there. Okay, then we got what? Look left, more wicks, money in the wicks, guys, more wicks, insufficiency in price right there underneath that wick. Ooh, okay, well, we going too far. Not necessarily, because you could get down there. We got the eye down there. But let's see. So we won't know, like I said, until they give us more price action as the days go by, the hours go by, the minutes go by, right? Seconds go by. We'll start seeing more of the price action. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to let you guys go for now. We've already hit all of our TPs. I'm just letting the trade I'm just trailing it right now. Everything's in profit. If you got in a trade, yours should be in profit too. Okay. Just checking out more, just seeing what we got. Okay. Everything's looking good. Good so far. See, look, it's taking forever to load. Yeah, there's a gap right here too. See this gap over here? It's gaps, right? Order block right there sitting. So yeah, we got targets below, guys, like way below. I can hold this trade for probably a good little minute. We'll have to see. But anyways, I'm gonna trail it, and we'll come back tomorrow, and I'll let you know what happened. You feel me? Did she come? We'll see. Did she come back up into our area, hit my stop, and then fall? Or, did I move my stop? You know what I'm saying? How did I manage it or whatever? I'll come back in tomorrow and update you guys, all right? Well, that's all I got for you. Thanks for coming to my stream. Make sure you like my video. Share it with somebody who's trying to learn how to trade. You feel me? We can all trade together, all right? One love. Mo Diesel out. Peace.